Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video I'm going to unbox the Realme 8 Pro which we have it. I know I'm late to the party and most of y'all must have already checked out the review etc of this Realme 8 Pro. I'm going to give my honest opinion in this particular video, so please stay tuned and watch this particular video till the end because we are going to share something important and some tips and tricks how to improve your phone. So this is just unboxing, so let's get started. So let's unbox the Realme 8 Pro, and this is one of the fantastic devices which are available for a price range of around 20,000 to 15,000 depending on which variant you all are buying. And I got this particular phone from Dr. Pritesh Mahadev Naik, and he's a veterinary doctor. I'll be linking his Instagram ID in the links in the description, so please do check it out. And also if you have query etc, you all can buzz him, or even pet related issues etc. And this is not sponsored video guys, so let's check out what else is in the box. And I really like the yellow theme what Realme uses. You all must be familiar with it. And let's check out what's there in this particular box. And this is one of the devices, comes with a very fast wireless charging, and yes, you do get a case inside this and some paperwork which I guess nobody reads. And if you like this kind of videos guys, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any video. And coming back to the unboxing part, we have this particular super dart charger, and it really charges your phone very fast, around 60-65 watt, which they have included in the box. And I think Apple should take notes with this. And let me just check what else you get in the box. And we have the charging cable which also look very good, and would recommend this particular phone for anyone who is having a budget of around 20,000. And just don't look at any other option if you are a Realme user. So comes with a 108 megapixel camera, the quad camera, and you have this nice branding dare to lip. And I really like the yellow color. You get also the blue one and the black one. And also, like, seamless experience you get it. Also they have included the screen guard etc. And this is the camera setup which you have with the quad camera, 108 megapixel, and it really looks flushed and very good. And it reflects sort of things. And let me just check the back kind of finish. I really like it. It gives you a nice sound effects kind of thing, and this is very slim I would say. And even the camera bump is not huge etc. Let me just boot the phone in the meantime. And they have still preserved the 3.5mm headphone jack, comes with type C connector etc, and the standard things what you all are expecting. And the processor is also good I would say for that particular price range. Let me just quickly set this up. And please do not forget to disable all this particular license agreement etc, otherwise you might be getting any ads. So Realme have done a great job with their Realme UI 2.0, and out of the box it really feels very smooth. Comes with a 90 hertz refresh rate, so those who are looking for a higher refresh rate phones for their gaming etc, this is one of the best phones. Also you get this particular unnecessary apps which are installed. I think though you can definitely uninstall it, but Realme should have not uploaded any special apps for this in the beginning. And let me just show you the camera, because that is a highlighting feature of this particular phone, because 108 megapixel comes only for these two phones, and this is one of them. So if you are a Realme phone fan kind of person who already also owns a Realme in the past, I think this is the phone to get. Definitely it's a worthy upgrade. And I know this is just a 4G phone, and these are the kind of modes which you get: slow mode, dual video etc, and which are going to be making you a bit creative when it comes to mobile photography. And you also have this nice photo mode which you can set it to all different angles etc. This is a front facing camera. And I would say in my first impression is very good with this particular phone. It really feels snappy. Highly recommend to get it if you are a Realme fan. And this is a gallery. Obviously it comes with I think Android 11 out of the box, and these are the Google apps which you get it. Overall a fantastic phone guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular phone, and subscribe to my channel. Also do check out these awesome cool videos which we have on our channel, because there is always something new to learn on creative. So again guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.